In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a hair growth serum that will help you achieve thicker, longer hair. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or carrier oil of choice, and 30 drops of rosemary oil. We're going to combine everything in a bowl, so we'll start with adding the grapeseed oil. And we chose grapeseed as a carrier oil for this recipe because it's really great for all hair types and it has some astringent properties, so it's not going to be too heavy on your scalp. Just like all carrier oils, grapeseed is really great for your scalp and your hair, but it doesn't actually have any properties that are going to promote hair growth. The reason we're using it in this recipe is because the castor oil has a really thick consistency. So we're diluting it with the grapeseed to make it thinner and easier to apply to your scalp. If you're okay with the really thick consistency, you can feel free to omit the grapeseed oil. Castor oil works to improve your hair growth in a couple different ways. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help to clear up any scalp issues which can be inhibiting hair growth. And it also contains an acid which actually does help your hair to grow faster. Finally, we're going to add rosemary oil, and as always, you can use essential oil of choice, but we chose rosemary specifically for this recipe because it's one of the best essential oils we know of for promoting hair growth. Rosemary can slightly darken hair if used frequently over time. So if this is a concern for you, then you can omit this and substitute it for a different oil. When everything is mixed, you can grab a funnel and a dropper bottle and pour your serum into your bottle. We recommend using a dropper bottle because this makes applying it to your scalp much easier. But you could also put this into a jar and apply to your scalp with your fingertips. For best results, we recommend using this serum once a week and massaging it into your scalp for a few minutes when applying. And that is how you make your hair growth serum.